Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn electrical engineering drawing. First, you need to grasp the basics. Start by understanding common electrical symbols, like those for switches or outlets, and what each one represents. Then, learn to read simple circuit diagrams and schematics, which are visual representations of electrical systems. Finally, become familiar with the standard practices and conventions used in the industry to ensure clarity and accuracy in your drawings. Next, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Computer-aided design, or CAD, software like Auto CAD Electrical is essential for creating precise drawings. However, don't overlook traditional drafting tools such as rulers and templates. Practicing drawing by hand is crucial for developing a strong foundational understanding of lines, shapes, and spatial relationships before transitioning fully to digital methods. Both approaches are valuable for mastering electrical drawing. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, delve into more advanced concepts. Study power distribution systems, control circuits, and detailed wiring diagrams. The best way to solidify your learning is through practical application. Work on real-world projects, even small ones, to apply your theoretical knowledge. Always seek feedback from experienced electrical engineers. Their insights are invaluable for refining your drawing techniques and understanding complex designs. To continue your learning journey, utilize a variety of resources. Textbooks offer in-depth knowledge, while online courses and professional workshops provide structured learning paths. Joining engineering communities can offer networking opportunities and peer support. Remember, continuous learning is key in this field. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable while you study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.